Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is another one from our fight training class. It is the proper way to perform a back breakfall. But before we do that, I need you to go over to the buttons, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
We'll start with our hands here. We're going to bend at our knees and come up on our toes into a low squat. Right? You're gonna tuck your chin, and then if you're unfamiliar, just watch me. You're gonna roll back, slap sideways on the ground. Your arms are not coming to where your shoulders are, they're coming in line with your back. All right, you go out here, you shatter your shoulders, you shatter your arms. You go down here, you're able to disperse force properly. All right, so if this feels uncomfortable, just keep your hands out or crossed in front of you. Squat, tuck, slam the ground. Keep your chin tucked, your head should not hit the mats. Go. Pop back up, do 3 more.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all, so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.